Alright guys, so that's gonna wrap it up for tonight's video. I have to say that these 5 are my favorite cookies. The other ones I was just playing around with. Like, I just wanted to test some piping skills because I suck at piping, but this one's still kind of cute. So I did do that one. And as far as the Easter egg go, I really didn't like how this one came out when I did this one. I did not like. I liked this part, but I should have just left it alone. So I didn't care for that one. But as far as the Easter egg goes, I wanted to show you the proper way to use the diamond dust. As you see how sparkly, let me see if I can put this light. Like, I don't know how sparkly you guys can see that, but I wanted to show you the proper way to use the diamond dust. You use a piping gel or an edible glue, and then you just sprinkle it on top. You don't rub it in. I mean, you can, like how I did before, but that's the proper way. Like I said, I was just playing with the piping gel or with the tips, just playing with the frosting because I can't pipe to save my life. And during this quarantine, that's something I want to play with is frosting and learn how to properly pipe and make buttercream roses, or at least make some kind of buttercream flowers. So I was just playing with the little rosettes and things like that. So again, I just wanted to show you, and I could have just left the stripes on there. It was fine, whatever. But yeah, so that's all for today's video. I have another video coming up quite soon, another Easter cake. So be on the lookout for that. I don't know when, if I'm gonna do it tomorrow or the next day or take a break, I don't know. It just depends on the weather and stuff like that. So on that note, I hope you enjoyed this video of just me playing around with some fondant, with some icing, with some sprinkles. So like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video, and remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And please let YouTube know that, hey, I'm doing something. So, alright guys, I will see you in the next video, and enjoy your quarantine. Alright guys, I love you. Bye!